Video 857, BFJ 157, in data by system within the editor game state section of mutable data. If we scroll all the way down here, we have our editor game state when the program is behaving as a game. We have these fuck around mode members, the damage bits of a blast, the special effects pattern of a blast, and the width and height of the brush that will be used in fuck around mode. In key fam F, so keyboard fuck around mode functions, in our fuck around mode handler for the down key, we're going to take a input keyboard event and figure out what action to perform. Right here, we have made this just a declaration, and we're going to initialize to 1 rather than 0 for simplicity. And this is whether or not we handled a fuck around mode key. We're going to get the fuck around mode key that was pressed right here. And then down here, we're going to make some shorthand references to the different key bindings, and also a shorthand reference to the game state object. Right here, if we do have a fuck around mode key, then we're going to see if it resolves to any key binding that we have set up. So right here, if the fam key is the low damage blast binding, of which there are 2 different keys that can be pressed, then the damage bit will be set to 1, and the special effect will be set to 1 as well. If we are doing the high damage blast, of which there's 2 different key bindings, then the damage bits will be set to 2, which sets the high damage bit, and the special effect pattern will be 3. If we are if we're using any of the keys that change the click area blast, then we're going to get some shorthand references to the click area blast incrementing and decrementing key bindings, and a shorthand reference to the fam key right here. And then we're going to do the logic right here. So if we're going back or next on the X, then we're going to decrement or increment the fatter brush width. And if we're going back or next on the Y, we're going to decrement or increment the fatter brush on the height axis. And then right here, if we don't hit any case, we have an unhandled key, then we did not do a fuck around mode, right? And then footnotes and stuff, and we're out of here. We're out of time. Like, subscribe.